Let me tell you something that nobody likes to admit. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you wake up feeling unstoppable, and other days you'd rather reorganize that junk drawer than film a video. And if you're over 50 building something online, you already know. We don't have time to sit around and wait for inspiration to strike. So here's the truth. If you're waiting to feel like it before you create, you're going to stay stuck. And I learned that the hard way. There were mornings I stared at my laptop thinking, I just don't feel like creating today. I'd scroll, I'd research, I'd tweak things that didn't matter, but I wasn't producing. And that's when I realized something really important. Motivation is emotional, and consistency is structural. My friends, those are two very different things. So you know what? I stopped chasing motivation and I built a system instead. So here's exactly what I do. Every morning I set a 15-minute timer. That's it. One video idea, or maybe an outline, maybe a short clip, or maybe one email draft. And when that timer stops, I stop. You know, some days I feel on fire and some days I feel like, ugh. But the timer runs either way. And here's why this works. When you shrink that task, you shrink your pushback. Your brain doesn't panic at 15 minutes. It doesn't say, oh my gosh, this is so overwhelming. It says, okay, fine. I think I can do that. And you repeat that daily, something powerful really happens. You stop identifying as someone who tries to be consistent, and you start identifying as someone who actually shows up. That identity shift, well, my friends, that's everything. Because motivation gets you started, but identity keeps you going. Let me say that again. Motivation gets you started, systems and identity keeps you going. Now, here's the part nobody ever talks about. At our age, you know, discipline isn't about grinding anymore. It's about removing that drama. We're not here for the hustle culture. We're here for structure that works. So here's your simple challenge. Are you ready? For the next 7 days, I know that sounds like a long time, bear with me. Pick a time. Set that 15-minute timer and create just one thing. And when the timer ends, stop. Don't judge it. Don't overanalyze it. Just complete something. Because completed beats perfect. And with this Granny Squirrel brain, I get a little lost sometimes. So remember, completed beats perfect every single time. And if you do this for a week, I think you're going to notice something different. You won't need that motivation anymore. You'll have momentum. And remember, momentum is far more powerful. So inside the Rebel Den, that's what we focus on. No hype, not fantasy, just systems and training. Simple daily actions that build over time. Because you know what? Consistency builds confidence. And confidence builds clarity. And clarity, well, that builds the freedom. So if you're tired of waiting to feel ready, build the system instead. Drop the word system in the comments if you're committing to 15 minutes a day this week. And if you want support while you build that consistency, join me in the Rebel Den. Remember, we don't wait for motivation over there. We show up anyways. So I'll see you inside the Rebel Den. Digital Rebel Granny out.